way to the front there. We'll tuck in, I think, behind that black Porsche all the way up at the front. So yeah, we'll be working on hand signals like brake, accelerate, your side of the track, my side of the track. I'll be trying to help you build lap after lap on learning the track.
Yeah.
And feeling comfortable with the limits of the car. There's going to be some sections that are going to be super tight. They're going to require a lot of braking. There's going to be other sections that, even though it looks like a big, nasty, mean turn, it isn't. Actually, the car has lots of grip, so it will carry a lot of speed through the turn. You can just pull all the way
Okay,
forward.
I don't know how we're supposed to stay 3 lanes back still.
Yeah, we'll...
line them up or...
Oh, no, this is good in the pits. Now, what we will do is when we all start to pull out, we will give him some space. That way, we don't feel like we're bunched up in case for some reason...
Yeah.
You end up being super fast. We'll give him a little time before we have to pass him. And then so we'll be looking for the cones too. So the cones are really important. They'll tell you where our braking zone is, where our turn-in point is, and then where our apex is. And then we've got a few turns that also have corner out cones that kind of give you an idea as to where you want to place the car as you're coming out of the turn.
Yeah.
And the reason those are there is because there's a lot of track, and not everybody ends up using all of the track, but the more of the track that you use from corner entry to corner exit, the straighter the track is means the faster you can be.
Yeah.
So we're trying to hit those points, and it just opens up the turn, allows you to be faster. This section, you're going to see it a few times. This turn, really right in front of us, there's a green cone that you basically can't see.
I can see it right here.
Oh, can you? Okay, cool.
Right, yeah, I get to see that.
So that's the apex cone for this turn. Now, when we're leaving the pits, it's going to be very slow.
Yeah.
It won't even feel like the same turn. But as you come back down the next few times, you're going to be carrying a lot of speed. And then it's a fun, in my opinion, it's a fun turn because you're coming down through here. You got a handful of car, you're slowing it down for probably about 120 or so. You're looking ahead, you're looking at that turn, and then right after that turn, you've got another turn, except it's going back in the opposite direction. It's a hard right.
It's called the S's, or is that the turn? I saw something on the website that you guys call it the S's or something, or the S.
Well, yeah, and actually there are several S's at this track. I'm trying to think if they even call that an S. It's probably not, but there are...
That's what it's on the website.
Yeah, well, no, and they might.
Yeah.
Everybody's... I've been to so many different tracks that they just kind of make up their own names.
Yeah, I know how it works.
But it's an interesting complex because fast turn followed by a very slow, very technical turn, honestly. And if you're placing the car where we need to place it, it makes the turn a lot easier. So as I'm saying your side of the car and wait, and then turn, just keep the orientation that you've got until I give you the indication to go ahead and turn there.
Are you going?
Yeah, pull up a little bit, and we'll give them a little bit of space. A little bit more. Hold up. All right, go ahead. Yeah, you can go on. We're all clear. I'm going to keep an eye on your mirrors in case for some reason we get an instructor that comes out and needs a pass. I'll keep an eye out. Now, that's obviously your first apex. We talked about it. You've got your turn-in cone, so you're going to go to your side of the track. Your side. Waiting. Now turn, looking for this apex. There you go. And as we crest this apex, you can get back on. You can actually get on the gas pretty good. Head for this next set of turns. Yep, nice job. You can stay in it pretty good through here. And then the next time around, you're going to release off the gas, turn in, and then back on the gas. Now this section of turns, we can actually carry some good speed through here. We don't have to brake, so you can actually be on the gas a little bit through here. Looking for your next section here, looking for that next apex cone. Really looking for those green cones. Kind of always keeping eyes up, looking for the green cones. This next green cone you don't see yet. It's going to surprise you over here on the right-hand side. So then you get a turn in. Yep, there you go. And then as we pass this green cone, give it everything if you want. Yeah, just everything. Yeah, there you go. To your side of the track, Nice job. Good job. A little more brake. Waiting. Get a turn. Turn in hard. There you go. Now back on the gas. Yep, you can be in it. It's just downshifting. There you go.
What's that button that I feel under the pedal?
The gas?
Like when I push it down all the way, it feels like a click almost. That's what it sounds like. It's like shoot.
it might be the downshift.
Okay,
We'll try it again. We're going to come around to
Am
another
I
straight.
pressing too hard, I'm saying?
I'm sorry?
Am I pressing too hard?
No, there's no such thing.
Okay.
And then your side of the track.
Yeah. So I should have came out on that turn more to come in.
A little bit, but actually it wasn't too bad a line. And then now to the apex here. And then now you're going to be looking way over here. And this is a straightaway. So as we hit these little 2 dots here, you can be back on the gas. Just hammer up. There you go. There you go. Nice job. There you go. Nice. Good job. A little bit of brake. Looking for the apex. Get a turn. Nice job. Stay on your side of the track. Go over your side. Wait. Now get a turn my side. Nice job. Now you can be back on the gas as you come around the apex. Yep, nice job. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Yeah, you can carry it in. It'll do it. Your side. Get a turn. There you go. Back on the gas. Nice job. Good. Carry more speed. Yep, there you go. Now looking for your side. Apex cone. And then you can give it some gas after. There you go. Nice job. Your side of the track. Looking for the green apex. Get a turn. Nice job. And then back on the gas. There you go. There you go. You can get it. Yeah. Your side of the track. Your side. Stay on your side. Wait. Good brakes. Nice. Smart. Good. Get a turn. Back in. Gas. There you go. There you go. Nice. Very good. Nice job. Stay in it. Yep. With a brake. Release the brake. Get a turn. We'll get some G-forces here. There you go. It'll turn. See the grip? Nice job. Yeah, there you go. Back to your side. Good speed. Release the brake. Get a turn. And then we're looking for this straightaway again. So we're looking way over here. Looking over my side here. There you go. Now you can gas. There you go. There you go. Carry it all the way. There you go. Nice job. There you go. Brake. Good brake. Hard brake. Get the turn. Look to your side. Nice. Good job through there. Stay on your side. Wait. Get a turn. Nice and hard. There you go. Back on the gas. Looking bad. Yep. Nice. Yeah. Stay in it. You can stay in it. And a little bit of brake. Looking ahead. A little bit of gas. There you go. Now we'll carry some speed through here. Those G-forces get to them. There you go. Nice job. Yeah. There you go. And looking for my side, carry those G-forces through. Yeah, nice job. Nice, good speed. Yeah. Stay your side. Hard brake, good brake. Very good. Stay and wait, and then turn. And then back on the gas. Yeah, there you go. Nice, good job. A little bit of brake. Carried speed through here. Remember how it did? Yeah, there you go. Turn on in. There you go. Very good. A little bit of brake. Get a turn. Now we're looking ahead for this straightaway. So looking over to my side, and then back on the gas. There you go. Nice. Yeah. A little bit of brake. Looking for your side. Looking for this next tight right-hander here. And a little more brake. Release the brake. Get a turn. And then give it a good gas out. There you go. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, that's good. A little bit of brake. Get a turn. There you go. A little bit of gas. Yeah, good. Carry some more speed through here. Turn left. Yep, there you go. Yeah, you can carry more. Yeah, there you go. This is a good speed. Just take this straight through there. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, there you go. Back on. Yeah, very good. Stay your side. this is working really well through here for you. Nice, and as it opens up, now you can start getting back on the gas. There you go. Really good line through there. Nice shot. There you go. Good hard brake. Nice, through here. Now we're going to do our cool down lap, so a little more brake. Get it turned. Excellent job.
Thank you.
What'd you think?
That was fucking awesome.
Yeah, this thing.
Holy shit.
Once it pops down a gear or two, man.
Jesus Christ.
I love how you're, especially on a couple of those back sections, really picking up the G-forces and really making the car grip.
I was starting to feel it. Yeah.
You start trusting the car, you know?
Yeah.
Because
It almost feels like it's working with you.
It really
like in
does.
The turn, like it's like, yeah. Oh yeah.
That's the addictive part of it. You know, the acceleration I think is fun, but to me,
it's every other aspect of it. Like the acceleration's awesome, but there's so much more to it that amazes me.
oh yeah, they're just so capable. Oh, it's so many years beyond. I mean, it's. Now, when we will, obviously, we'll go up here, we'll turn, you know, left, but then we'll go into the pits into the,
Okay.
yeah, you probably saw it when we were
Yeah.
Nice job.
That was a quick 5.
Yeah, this turn, it was probably, what, your second lap?
When I went into
clicked.
it, yeah.
You just